Good evening, all of you, my dear students. Welcome to Dr. B. Ranganath, IITZ NEET Academy. Myself, Dr. B. Ranganath, Chemistry Plus educator on an Academy Plus, Chemistry faculty since last 13 years. Students, today I am going to discuss about in the S block elements one more important concept, borax, and P block elements in the third group family, borosine. So here in borax, what is the hybridization of boron present in the borax? So the type of questions arising in this mainly. How many hybridations? So here it's very interesting and important also. Two types of hybridization is possible in borax. Okay, write down structure of borax. Structure of borax. Structure of borax. So what is the formula for borax? First of all, what is the formula? So here Na2 B4O7 10 H2O, 10 moles of H2O means hydrated molecule. So this is the molecular formula of borax. Molecular formula of borax. This can be written as by conveniently. So here Na2 B4O5 B4O5. So here OH taken 4 times in 8H2O in 8H2O. So by convenient or this is or this one, anyone, this is the structure of borax. Borax is also known as tinkalma. So don't confuse about in the examination point of view. Borax another name is tinkal. Okay, this is Sanskrit name tinkal. Borax is also called as tinkal. Okay, borax is also called as tinkal. So what is the molecular formula? What is the structure of borax? Borax is also called as tinkal. Okay, what is its structure of borax? Here, how many boron atoms? Na2B4O7 10H2O. 10H2O. This is molecular formula of borax. Already by conveniently Na2B4O5OH taken 4 times. So here boron. This is boron. How many boron atoms? 4 boron atoms arranged like this. In this structure of boron, what is the hybridization of boron? How many hybridization is possible? Okay, so here B4O7 O5 here. So here O, here O, here O. So this is conveniently written by Na2B4O5. O5 is completed and next OH taken 4 times and 8H2O. Okay, so here also oxygen, 4 oxygen molecule and another oxygen like this. This is B4O5. How many OH groups? 5 OH, 4 OH group. This is OH. So this is OH. Okay, here also OH. This is the structure of borax. Okay, in this structure of borax, hybridization of boron in borax. To observe this boron actually, so it is possible for only sp2 because of only 2 bonding pair of electrons, 3 bonding pair of electrons. So therefore this boron is sp2 hybridization. But here it is possible for sp2 because of boron is a third group element. 3 bonding is only possible. Excess of 1 bond means here negative charge, B minus. Therefore this boron is sp3 hybridization manana. What is the hybridization of boron in borax? So here sp2 and sp3. So in which of the following pairs are possible for hybridization of borax? sp2, sp3 is possible for structure of borax in boron. The hybridization is possible for sp2, sp3. So this is the structure of borax. So borax is also called as tinkal. Okay. This is one concept. In examination point of view, it's very important. Actually, this is only one hybridization, that is sp2, but it is possible for two. Why? Because of here excess of one bond is there in the structure of borax. So that's why it is possible for sp2, sp3. Okay. And the next one is borosine in the third A group family. Borosine topic. What is borosine? Borosine. It is also very important concept in competitive examination. Borosine is also called as inorganic benzene. Why it is called as inorganic benzene? So first of all, what is the molecular formula of borosine? So molecular formula of borosine is B3N3H6. This is the molecular formula of borosine. B3N3H6. Okay. So here, how many boron? 3. How many nitrogen? 3. So the structure, it looks like a, so here boron, here nitrogen, here also one nitrogen, here boron, here boron, and next here nitrogen. These are 6 total. Here bonding, here bonding, here bonding. Okay. So here double bond, here double bond, here double bond. How many hydrogens? 6 hydrogens like this. 6 hydrogens. Okay, so this is structure of borosine, structure of borosine. So to observe the students, this structure is similar to the structure of benzene. So here carbon double bond. So here carbon, here carbon, here carbon, here carbon, here carbon. So here double bond. What is the molecular formula of benzene? C6H6, C6H6. So this is the molecular formula of benzene. So borosine, it looks like a benzene. That's why it is called as inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene means without carbon. So borosine is also called as, write down that point, borosine. Borosine is also called as, inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. What is the hybridization of boron in this? sp2 hybridization is present in borosine. Boron in borosine. Borosine. So these are the competitive purposes, very important. Repeatedly in engineering examination or medical examination level, which of the following is inorganic benzene? So borosine, borosol. Sometimes it is also called as borosol. Borosine or borosol is also called as inorganic benzene. Okay, so it's why it is called as inorganic benzene. It looks like a benzene. That's why. So it is called as inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. So this is inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. Inorganic benzene. So this is the structure of borosine. And the next, and the first topic is which one? So borax. Okay. Thanks for watching, my dear student. So please subscribe my channel, Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT JEE NEET Academy. So you can subscribe, share, and like. So it can easily helpful for those who are preparing for the examination like IIT JEE NEET and local engineering examinations like Karnataka CET, Maharashtra CET, and MCET. Thank you, students.